Make coffee and clean your espresso screen. So you got this screen here, and this gets dirty, so you've got to fill up your machine. Oh, I can't do this with one hand, can I? Alright, so you're going to turn on your steamer. You want to clean that, get that. You want to get all the stale coffee off of everything. You don't want to clean anything that touches your coffee with soap or water. You want to use steam and or hot water. So you start out by boiling this steam, and then you steam clean it periodically. You don't have to do it every single day, but same thing goes with your grinder. You want to clean that out with hot water and then put your fresh coffee in there. I mean, DIY. You don't have to. Just a suggestion.